Hello, my name is Aaron, and this is my Chapter 2 FRQ video, test corrections. And for Part A, we're asked to indicate the quantities that could be measured by students to determine whether the claim is correct. So I just said we could find the velocity, mass, and the acceleration of it. And this would allow us to find the, prove the claim. So I'm going to solve 1. And for this part, we need to describe a method to reduce experimental uncertainty. So I just said we could do 3 trials using the same speed and then repeat that multiple times with different speeds. I give myself a point for that one. And for part B, we were asked to indicate what quantities could be graphed to create a linear graph. And during the test, I didn't know what to do, so I just said mass of glider for the y, and then velocity for the x. And this doesn't really create a graph that's linear. So instead, what I could have done was for the vertical axis, we could graph the position. For the horizontal, we could graph it the time, and this could have resulted in a linear slope or a positive linear slope. And for part B2, we need to describe the relationship that would prove our thing. And so I did mention that if the graph is linear, then the friction is negligible. But I should have mentioned that it was a positive linear slope. But I only mentioned linear, so I didn't give myself the point for that one. For part C, we're asked to graph it with the data from here and label this stuff and draw line of best fit. And I gave myself the 4 points because I did all those things. And so for part D, we're asked to draw using the best fit line, calculate an experimental value for the mass of the hanger. So we could use this here. The mass of everything is equal to all this stuff in here. So the mass of everything based off of this is 3.1 equals the mass of the glider, which is 0.5, plus mass of each of the washers, which is just 6 of them, and each of them weigh 0.3. And we're looking for the hanger, so we put hanger. So 3.1 equals 0.5 plus 8 hanger. So 3.1 equals 2.3 hanger. We get 0.8 kg equals the mass of the hanger. And this will be the value. And I didn't know what to do, so I just found the slope, but that wasn't right for the slope. So I gave myself 0.2 on this one. So that's my test corrections.